Okay, one big happy
family.
John, here you go. Congratulations, book, signed, sealed, stamp.
Oh, thank you.
Good job, well
thank
done.
You. Thank
all right,
you.
man.
All right.
All right, there you go.
All right. Graduated. BBC, Club
BBC.
Nutty.
Yeah, so that light behind you is way too bright.
So should we get over
Should we turn the
here?
light
Yeah.
down?
That way, maybe.
I can't turn the sun down. You're gonna
Yeah,
have to
okay.
go over here.
Face this way, huh?
Yeah.
Why not? You do everything.
All right. Perfect. So it's recording video, so I already have like
Recording
Oh,
video,
we're on
so
time,
we can just
sorry.
kind of pause. We just go over and
Yeah,
smile.
this is
And,
what it is.
got many pictures already.
We can smile, we can frown.
yeah, okay. Good.
Fuck you off.
Yeah,
Tickle each other. Okay,
that should do it.
All right.
Or a moving picture, that's awfully long moving picture. There you go.
All right.
Is he done or?
He's done. Yeah, he's done with this spiel.
He's done. Yeah. Send one of those pictures to us.
That's what I'm doing. Oh, absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, for the club. For Marianne. Yeah. Matter of fact, I'm gonna have you take the last group shot, if that's cool.
This is your bag that goes with it, right?
Yeah, the bag. Don't worry about the bag. They always get torn whenever I
Roberto,
pull
there
them.
you go. Sticker.
All right, all right, all right. Thank you very much, Stuart. Thank you so much, man. Great.
Yours.
All right.
Impressive looking book.
All right, all right.
This is John, I'm pretty sure.
All right.
This is a
Got 3 stickers.
fresh blank, big with like a sticker in it.
Starting
There you
big,
go.
huh?
There you go. Hey, Joe, thanks.
Right for the thing.